these are two very cute little babies. Now, if I ask you to identify the male baby between the two babies, will you be able to? Yes, it is very difficult to tell the difference between the two babies appearance-wise. Also, they are behaviorally very similar. Well, between the two babies, this is the male baby. Well, when a male baby grows up to an age of 13 to 14, then his voice cracks, it deepens, which was earlier very shrill, and with progressive aging, there is growth of mustache and beard, which gives him a distinct male characteristic. Now, the difference does not only lie appearance-wise, but there is also change in the body hormone-wise. A little baby boy has very less amounts of a hormone known as testosterone, but when the little baby boy grows up to an age of 13 to 14, the level of this hormone, testosterone, reaches a peak level. So, which part of the male body secretes this hormone? Well, the primary reproductive part in a male, known as testes, secretes this hormone known as testosterone. So, since it is being able to secrete a hormone, so testes should be what kind of an organ? Well, yes, we have studied this before, that endocrine glands secrete hormones. So testes must also be an endocrine gland, and hence it is being able to secrete testosterone, where test comes from the word testes. So testosterone is the male sex hormone. Now what about girls? Girls, when they are very young, are appearance-wise and behaviorally very similar to a boy child. But as she grows older and reaches the same critical age of 12 to 14, then she becomes a lot calmer. Her body shows different changes and she becomes conscious of herself. Now, what is the reason behind this sudden change? Well, just like the boys, where a hormone was responsible, in case of females as well, a hormone is responsible known as estrogen. At a lesser age, this level of hormone is very less in the body, but as the female baby reaches the age of 12 to 14, then this hormone reaches a peak level. So, the sudden estrogen surge causes the physical and the behavioral changes in a female. Now, in a male, the testes, which is the primary reproductive organ, secretes the testosterone that facilitates the sexual characteristics. Now, what about the females? What part of the body secretes estrogen? Well, the primary reproductive part in a female, known as the ovary, secretes estrogen. Now, as a female baby grows up, the ovary gets matured, and ovary, being a gland, secretes this hormone, which is known as estrogen. Now, the surge of estrogen causes the increase in height, the development of breasts, and also rounding of hips. See, the hips have become more rounded in a female of 12 to 14 years of age. So, the period during which immature reproductive system of both boys and girls matures and becomes capable of reproduction is known as puberty. and the period of life when the boy or the girl's body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity is known as adolescence. So puberty comes first when the reproductive organs gain maturity, and then comes adolescence when the body becomes prepared for reproduction. Now, a lot of pimples develop during the teenage years in both male and female. Why is that? Well, this is because of the surge of sexual hormones known as estrogen in females and testosterone in males, which are responsible for these pimple formation on the face.